Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on dark mode on Reddit. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more helpful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Reddit, then just click on your profile icon on the top right. And if you want to use the quick way of just changing it from dark to light mode, all you need to do is just press this little moon symbol on the bottom right. You can obviously change it between the two. But again, if you click on your profile icon on the top right, if you go into settings and then scroll down, you should see dark mode, and you'll have four options on here. So you can change auto dark mode, you can have it as off, follow your system settings, or you can have it as sunrise and sunset. So obviously depending on the time of day, it'll be light or dark. You could also just turn on dark mode if you want to do that, but you'll have to turn off the auto dark mode first. Then you have the light theme. You have a few different options on there if you want to change that round. And you can also change the dark theme as well. So you can have it on night or midnight. So that's how you can turn on dark mode on Reddit.